Jaworski signals, and he will run up into this one. In the 2022 IFL season for both these squads is underway. Still, wow, and what a hit on the opening play. It was a squib kick. Deshaun Jones, the running back, got down there and laid a hit on number 11, Alexis Rosario, on that one. And the Bismarck Bucks will start with possession of the football on their own 11-yard line. Last season as a backup role for Demery Croft. Receivers going forward, motion. Tolbert takes the snap and drops back, looks over the middle. That one almost picked off by Mason Gray. He was unable to haul that one in. Mason Gray, he likes to jump passes against these Bismarck Bucks. Or will Green Bay force a 3-and-out? Tolbert in the shotgun. Takes the snap. Sitting in the pocket, that one high and intercepted! It's DeJour Nesbeth on the return, still on his feet and brought down at the 20-yard line. And now pushing and shoving behind the play. Taj Tolbert just dragged down, I believe that was Deldrick Canty. No flags on that one, but the first turnover of the season. An interception by DeJour Nesbeth. What a play to start defensively here for Green Bay. Gibson in an empty backfield. Takes a snap, looks over the middle, going deep for Stewart. That is caught! Des Stewart comes down with that one, his leg up against the wall. Looked like a painful catch, but he comes down with it regardless. And the Blizzard offense, first pass, ends up in the end zone for a touchdown.
Gibson's first pass of his IFL career is a touchdown.
Gibson,
great way to start it off.
He played as a receiver last year with Spokane. That was his first pass in the IFL, and what a beauty. Des Stewart, former Arizona Rattler, comes down with it. Jaworski will send this one away, and it's going to be a low line drive fielded by Brown inside the 5. Brown coming to the near side. Stewart leaning in to make that tackle, and as does DeJour Nesbeth. Rob Brown returns this one up to his own 21-yard line. Tolbert in the shotgun. Takes the snap, pressure's on, looking deep into the end zone. Flags fly. I think that's going to be for a defensive hold. And the drive stays alive. Tolbert standing at the 16-yard line. Shotgun, takes the snap, looking to the left side. That one almost picked off. Instead, it is caught by Brunner into the end zone. Touchdown, Bismarck Bucks. Rick Rumpf almost had the interception going back the other way for 6. Instead, Brunner comes up with the catch and walks into the end zone for a touchdown for the Bismarck Bucks, and we're an extra point away from a tie football game here at the Resch Center. Albaugh signaling, and he will run up into this one in a low line drive. They'll be fielded by Mason Gray right off the line drive, right through the gap there, and brought down at the 21-yard line. So another short field here for the Green Bay Blizzard to have their second possession and look to try and reclaim the lead. Green Bay Blizzard drive underway. Gibson's going to line up under center for this one. Receivers in forward motion. Stewart will take the handoff. Ball is loose, recovered by Bismarck. And wow, talk about a momentum shift. Bismarck now with all of the momentum.
Fumble on the play. Recovered by Bismarck.
Gibson turned around, handed off to Stewart. Never had a clean handle on it before he took a hit. Ball was loose and recovered by Roman Morris. Tolbert trying to position. It'll be a pitch out flag on the play. Going to be short of the line to gain. Potentially a turnover on downs, but a flag does fly.
Illegal formation. Number 14 on the offense needs to be 3 yards outside the tackle. That penalty is declined. The result of play is first down Green Bay.
So an illegal formation, it is declined. And a first down Green Bay off the turnover on downs. Nice play there by the Green Bay defense to hold strong. Somewhat stalled out, but still with a couple of opportunities here to put it into the end zone or points on the board. Gibson takes a snap, drops back, pressure's on. He will step up and run. Now he'll throw. Got Shaq Currington, and he just dropped it. It was tipped, and Currington could not haul it in. That would have been a touchdown for Green Bay. Instead, it'll be 4th and 13, and now the field goal unit will come on for the Blizzard. Always makes the kick a little bit more challenging. Snap down, kick is up on the way. It is good. Nick Jaworski knocks it through, and the Blizzard have the lead once again at 8:23 to go here in the second quarter with a second down and goal from the 10. Tolbert in the shotgun, drops back. Pressure's on, looks over the middle. That one caught by Brunner. 2 plays and 2 touchdowns for John Brunner, where it looked like it could have been an interception, but he snags it away from the Green Bay defender. And he comes down with the touchdown, and Bismarck with their first lead of the contest. Pressure was on there on Tolbert. We'll take a look at this one. He just comes open on that slant route.
It's good pocket presence. Sit in there and take a hit. Still put the ball on the money.
Tolbert with size. Mark Newbold and Gray are the 2 returners deep back for Green Bay. Albaugh runs into this one. It'll bounce and be fielded in the end zone by Stephen Newbold. He's got space. Newbold has a lot of space. Cuts up now. He loses the football. Loose on the ground and recovered by Bismarck. Dove forward, lost possession of the football, and the kicker Chase Albaugh comes down on top of it. Another turnover for this Green Bay Blizzard team. So can the Green Bay special teams block another kick and send us into halftime with only a 1 possession lead? Albaugh, kick is up, and it is good. 16-10 is our halftime score from here in Green Bay. We will take a timeout and bring you some first half scores and stats. And it is Newbold and Gray back to receive for Green Bay. Albaugh runs up into this one. The second half is underway with a squib kick fielded by Stephen Newbold. Will he redeem himself? Spot up the middle. Now he cuts back to the outside and is brought down by number 44, Macon. Back inside the 15, try to cut it back and ended up losing a little bit of yards on that. So here comes the Blizzard offense led by Torrance Gibson. 10 points in the first half. 4th down and 15. Field goal attempt coming up here for Jaworski. Sheehan, the holder, the backup quarterback. Snap is down, kick is on its way, wobbling. It will be fielded by Brown in the end zone. Currington tries to make the tackle now. Brown cutting back, still on his feet, and is finally wrapped up once again by Currington and deep in Green Bay territory. Here we go, 4th down and 2, 8:36 to go here in the third quarter. Tolbert takes the snap, looks over the middle, pressure's on. James Brown has him wrapped up, lofted up for the end zone, and broken up by Rick Rumpf. Falling incomplete. Rumpf almost had the interception. Possibly, maybe that kind of helps them in consideration of field field position, but another stop. James Brown has had himself a heck of a ball game coming from that linebacker position. Here we go. Gibson sends the receivers in forward motion, takes a snap, pressures on, finds Keyshawn Taylor. He's open, still on his feet. Keyshawn Taylor down inside the 15. Ball is loose. Stewart on his feet, and he is finally brought down inside the 10. I'm wondering where this is going to be officially spotted. I think Taylor was down back at the 11, but regardless, a first down. Points really would help, but with this opportunity in short field, you have to imagine they'd like a touchdown here. Gibson takes snap, bobbled, loose ball, and recovered by Bismarck. Well, forget a touchdown or a field goal, another turnover here by Green Bay, the third of the ball game. Snap to Tolbert. Pressure is on, going deep to the end zone. Brown readjusting into the end zone. Touchdown, Bismarck. Brown got behind the entire Green Bay defense. And now Bismarck up by 2 scores. A blown coverage got behind Rumph and Gray. And now 22-10 with the extra point attempt coming up here for Bismarck. Gibson takes the snap, pressures on, throws to the end zone. It is a touchdown once again for Des Stewart. Back to a one-possession game here in Green Bay. And Des Stewart with his second touchdown reception of the contest. And Torrance Gibson with his second touchdown pass. If they're able to get a stop here in the football back, would be huge. Receivers in forward motion. Handoff to Glines, and he is still on his feet, decked and into the dasher board. Bismarck wants to say it's a touchdown, but he was into the dasher boards at about the 5-yard line. A first down for Bismarck in the red zone. Tries. Snap to Tolbert. Pressure's on. He is hit and sacked. Jordan Jones comes in and makes the play of the game to date. It'll be fourth down and goal from the 17 in the field goal unit coming on for Bismarck.
Well, here we go, Blizzard fans, 4th down.
Regardless, with a made field goal, it will be a 2-possession game, so this is a huge field goal. Left hash. 31 yards away. Albaugh is up and good. 26-17, but Green Bay holds them out of the end zone. So 26-17 our score, under 7.5 minutes to go now. Snap to Gibson, pressure's on. He's gonna heave this one downfield. It is in the end zone for Keyshawn Taylor, and he was just unable to haul it in. He took a shot there from Brown. Green Bay faithful wanting a flag, and Taylor is down and hurt.
Wow. Usually that's a penalty, but not tonight. 3rd down.
Wow, I mean, he just took a shot there from Brown. Helmet flew off, and there was nothing. Gibson in the shotgun, trips left. Jones, the running back, to his right. Receivers in forward motion. Gibson takes the snap. Fires to Keyshawn Taylor. Did he haul that in one-handed? He did not. Green Bay faithful once again wanting a flag on it. And they will not get it. And a turnover on downs. Bismarck regains possession of the football right around midfield. Play clock just rolling down here. Bismarck not in any rush to get this play off. And a high snap. Glein's going to go back to field this. He is met by Jordan Jones and wrapped up. Flags come flying in, and I think this is going to be a horse collar. Albaugh to try and make this one a 12-point game. Snap is down, a little wobbly. Kick is up, and it is wide left. So Green Bay with possession of the football. Back at their own 5-yard line. 50.3 seconds to go, no timeouts. 1-minute timing rules are in effect. Gibson on 4th and 10, takes the snap. Evades the rush and will take off and run. He will have the first down, still skirting the sideline, and finally sticks it out of bounds. He was last touched out of bounds still inside of Green Bay territory, but the clock is stopped at 25.7. Snap to Gibson. Looking downfield, pressure on again, throws, he's got Currington, he cannot haul that one in.
Pass intended for Currington is incomplete.
15.9 seconds remaining now. Receivers in forward motion. Snap. And in the end zone, is it caught? I think there has to be time left. Will they discuss this? If there's time left, there will be a kickoff. Des Stewart once again.
The result of the play is a touchdown. During the play, the clock expired. That is the end of the
Oh,
game.
there is no time left on the clock. So that is the ball game. Final score 26-23, and a little bit of a scuffle here at the end.